So Jenkins Webhook Integration. Okay. So Jenkins Webhook Integration means whenever the developers commit the code in GitHub, okay, in their projects, okay, push. So there are many events. So whenever the event will happen in the GitHub repo, so automatically Jenkins build will trigger. So here in GitHub we have the project, the demo projects. Okay, so whenever developer changes in a code or push the code, commit the code, or any raise the request, so
or made changes to the file or something.
Yes, so Jenkins job will trigger. Okay, so there are many options to trigger Jenkins jobs. One of the option is like Jenkins using the webhook, GitHub webhook. Okay, so here we have the Jenkins server. Then so here we have the Jenkins server. So let's create a new job. So let's do the job name Jenkins. So here let's give the job name Jenkins GitHub. Then let's select the, for now we'll select the one demo project. So please start project. Then click on OK. So here we'll do the description Jenkins GitHub. Then here we'll select our GitHub repo. So here we have the repo. Then let's hide it here in Jenkins. Then we'll select the credential. Here we have already added the credential. Then branch. So here we have to select the branch. So in the real-time scenario, we don't use a master branch frequently. So either we will use the feature branches. Okay, feature branch, dev branch. Okay. So for now we have the master branch. So let's select the master branch. Then here we have the build trigger. So here we have the option. So trigger build remotely, build after other project, or build periodically. So build periodically, we can add the cron job expression. So now we'll select, we are going to select this one, GitHub trigger for Git async polling. So let's select this. Then just we are going to trigger the build using the GitHub. Okay. So click on apply, save. So now we have created freestyle job. Now here we have to configure the GitHub webhook triggering. Okay. So here
settings,
to click on the projects, then settings. And here we have the option webhook. Here click on add a webhook, then payload URL. So here this URL we have to copy the Jenkins URL.
Okay.
Then slash
webhook.
Yes. So here we have the option GitHub hyphen webhook slash. Here content types. Here we'll select the application JSON. Here just a push event, send me everything. Let me select individual. So in the real time scenario, we will pick that means a customized one. So like branch or tag creation, whenever means. So generally we will use this one like a push or only push, code push. So only the Jenkins will build, Jenkins will trigger whenever the new code are push. Commit the code. commit. Here also we can. Here we can also select one commit. Then click on add field.
So does the exact meaning of webhook is changing the code? In the real time also is the same thing.
Which one?
Webhook's meaning is like any changes in the code. Is that the correct meaning?
So here is a given definition. Webhook allows external services to be notified when certain event happen. External services to be notified means external service. Who is our external service? Jenkins. Notified.
Okay.
It will notify to Jenkins to trigger the job. Okay, because developer changing the code here in GitHub projects. So build the job. Okay, like this. And we will send a post request to each of the URL you provide. Post request. Okay. The external service to the notified when certain event happen. Event means that we added the push event, commit event. There are a lot of. Then you will send only post request. So here we have the get post request. Okay. Post request to each URL. Then now it is showing green. Now it's not triggering. So here we have not triggered. So here now we will what we will do. So here we will see that there is no job here. Okay. So let's change the code. Let's try. So let's change in demo.txt. Something we will change here. My first PHP page. Like we will change PHP project. And then we'll commit. So now job should trigger now. Let's go to the Jenkins. So let's see. See. Now previous we don't have any job now. The job is created. We have a trigger. Like this.